Easy estimates. Adding and subtracting decimals. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we are diving into a very interesting topic: adding and subtracting decimals. We will focus specifically on estimating decimal sums and differences. This method is a simple way to make quick, approximate calculations. Let's get started. Decimals are part of everyday life, whether you're dealing with money, measurements, or data. When you add or subtract decimals, you sometimes need to make quick approximations. This is called estimating. It's important to understand that an estimate is not an exact answer. Instead, it gives you a general idea of what the answer will be. Here is a simple strategy to estimate decimal sums and differences. The first step is to round each decimal to the nearest whole number. After you round the decimals, you can easily add or subtract these whole numbers to get an estimate of your answer. Let's take an example. Imagine we have the numbers 6.4 and 3.7. We round them to the nearest whole numbers, getting 6 and 4 respectively. Adding these gives us 10. So, our estimate for the sum of 6.4 and 3.7 is 10. Remember, this is an estimate, not the exact sum. Now, let's do some practice. Try to estimate the sum and difference of these decimal numbers. 1. 8.9 and 4.2. 2. 12.3 and 7.8. 3. 15.6 and 9.4. You'll find that with practice, you'll become faster and more accurate with your estimates. There you go. Now you know how to make quick and simple estimations when adding and subtracting decimals. This is a very handy tool to have in your mental math toolkit. Remember, estimation is not about being perfectly accurate, but rather about getting a good approximation quickly. Keep practicing and you'll become a pro at it in no time. Thank you for joining us in this lesson. We hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing.